Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find deleted messages on Instagram. Open your Instagram. Now go to your chats. I'm going to show it by sending a couple of messages. Now unsend the same message. Now go to your profile and tap on the menu. Now click on your activity. Now scroll down to the bottom and download your information. You would have to enter your email and password for this. That way, you can request the download and you will receive the conversation that you deleted. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe.